Speaking of the algorithm transition to circular economy, can the DPP be able also to contribute to carbon emission reduction? And if yet,
so the DPP itself is not actively contributing in that way for, if you're saying, if we're talking about traditional ways to kind of reduce carbon, for example, in your operational efficiency. But the process of creating a DPP can be a good process to get transparency within your organization and your operations and supply chain, where are things that could be improved to reduce our carbon emissions. So the process of creating the DPP can expose some of those potentially low-hanging fruit or just hot spots for companies to be able to move towards lower carbon emissions or other sustainability goals. But if we look at also sort of lowering carbon through new business opportunities, so using the digital product passport outside of the sort of traditional linear economy function and looking more at how it can enable circular business, so how to more efficiently be able to take your products back for recycling or for repair, or to build, product as a service models with your products through using the digital product passport as a tool. That can be a way ultimately to reduce or create low carbon businesses, if we say it like that. So the DPP is not really a tool for directly influencing your operations, but it can be used as a tool for your business ultimately to create a more sort of sustainable functioning business models.